Changing your profile picture on Dropbox is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or initials located in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 3. Go to the Profile tab. In the Settings menu, navigate to the General tab. Here, you will find your profile information, including your current profile picture. Step 4. Change your profile picture. Look for the option to change your profile picture. Click on the Change or Edit button next to your current image. You will be prompted to upload a new picture from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button and click it to update your profile. Now your profile picture on Dropbox is updated. Enjoy your new look while sharing files and collaborating with others.